This shouldn't be hard. If you're not seeing the progress you feel you deserve, you're slacking off. Gold Standard Whey was the first protein powder that I ever bought and ever used. It's pretty hard to ignore a name like Gold Standard Whey when you first walk into a supplement store. But I went with it, it tasted great, and I've had no reason to ever look back since.
Optimum Nutrition has been around for a long time, and the reality is we have a lot to lose if we get it wrong, so we won't get it wrong.
Optimum Nutrition tests every batch of Gold Standard 100% whey here in-house, which is unique to us.
Optimum Nutrition has from the beginning made sure that their formulas and products meet the needs that consumers want. So whatever we say is on the supplement facts panel is actually in the product.
Unless it's validated in science, we will not compromise our integrity to sell a product.
And that's something that we guard very, very carefully. At Optimum Nutrition, we partner with our consumers. We won't compromise on taste, we won't compromise on quality. You are getting consistent, best-in-class taste, quality, and our commitment that this product will deliver on everything it promises. We won't renege on that promise.
Optimum Nutrition is a brand synonymous with integrity. It's been around for 30 plus years and has built one hell of a relationship with its consumers. For me personally, it's a brand that I feel comfortable recommending to my clients. I simply won't recommend any product I haven't used or researched myself and believe in and trust.
We won't ever cut corners when it comes to delivering the best quality so our consumers can achieve their performance goals. Lots of brands say that they're the best. Lots of brands say they're the number one. But there is only one most reviewed, most awarded, best-selling whey protein powder on the planet. And that's Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey. And we think that's a pretty big deal.